Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So we have Charlie in today and she's come in for a redesign. So we removed her previous set. She had one that she broke, so we just applied one of my tapered square tips to that nail, and done our clear layer and we are good to go. So here I am using my size 12 brush, and I'm using cola cubes from CJP. I kind of picked this, my flat is freezing. I don't know why, I haven't had the heating on all day, but it's freezing and I underestimated how runny cola cubes can be. I forgot it can be quite runny. No matter how much you drain the bead, it can be pretty runny, I find. And I didn't drain the bead on that one, so it was going everywhere. So we're just doing a full set of this colour, just a full set of cola cubes on all her nails, and I've just left this in. I know it's a little bit boring, but I think a few of you like to just see how my application and stuff like that, so I've left it in. Got a bit of a different camera angle and lighting. I've got different shade of lighting. What you saying, how you feeling it? I quite like it, but my clamp is attached to my nail desk, and I don't like that because potential wobbling going on, and I want nothing to do with wobbling on my videos. So we'll see if there's any wobbling going on, but I was trying to be dead still. Alan come in the kitchen at some stage and was stomping around and it started wobbling, and I was like, get out. Get out, Bigfoot. But yeah, I think it was alright. I don't know, but I quite like the angle of it. I quite like I usually have it on daylight lighting, but I had it on like a warm tone, so I don't know, we'll see. So yeah, just a full set of cola cubes, and we'll cap as well. So now we're going in with top coat. So I'm going to top coat the two nails that we're going to put some pigment on. We're going to do the bubble nail. You know, the famous bubble nail that's going around. We're going to give it a try. Second time lucky, because I did try it on my own and we mega failed. Just like that clip that just happened there. I don't know what happened. So we cured that, and now we're going in with this pigment. This is from Indigo and it's called Alien. It is stunning. Forgot all about it. So we're just going to buff that into those nails, and then we're going to top coat again and cure again. So that's all cured and protected. So now I'm going in with my second top coat, and we're going to do a nail at a time. So we're going to apply a thin coat. In a container I put a bit of water and Fairy Up liquid and give it a good shake, and then we created these bubbles. Quickly whack it on, didn't care what it looked like, just wanted to get it in. And cure it. I cured it for 90 seconds. So then she took it out and I just dabbed over the top with a lint-free wipe. She's obviously admiring it right now. We were so impressed, we were so excited. We were so excited. I was doing dances, I was saying I'm getting an alligator, because we said that's what it looked like. Yeah, we couldn't stop looking at it, so that's why we're stopping and starting. So now I'm going to do it again to the middle finger, so just exactly the same. So all done. So now we're going to top coat. So same gel, top gloss. What I did when I first did the bubble nail, whatever it's called, is it even called the bubble nail? I have no idea. I top coated it now, and that's where it went wrong. You don't top coat it. They're just going to have to put up with the most grittiest nail. It feels awful, but it looks good. It's all that matters, right? So yeah, just leave it. So now we're going to top coat the rest. I applied some oil and we are good to go. Loved this set, loved how it turned out, loved doing it. Definitely give it a try. Please give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and if you're not already subscribed, please do, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.